These are the 9 through 17 elevators at One Tampa City Center in Tampa, Florida. We can't go down, so let's go up. There's a Lexington call station over here. Huh, you actually can call it down. Maybe this one's on a separate controller. So here it is. This one you can apparently go down on. Let's go to ground. Here we are at ground. Okay, that's apparently a mechanical area. I didn't know that. Maybe that's why only one elevator goes down there. So we're going to 17 now. Here we are at 17. Here is your cab view. I'm going to try to get it quickly in case anyone gets on. Here's your inspection certificate. Hey, we got a non-stop ride. Nice. Now we're going to end it down here. Here are all the other elevator sets, by the way. With that being said, there it goes. And that'll be it.